Hello guys, good morning. I'm just finishing up with my black paint because I did my power pour the last time and it was a Dutch pour on a big canvas, 24 by 24 inches, 60 by 60 centimeters. And you guys commented with other stuff for me to try, and there were 5 I thought would be very interesting, so I thought let's do them all. And one of them was a big canvas with a black base and metallics, so that's what we're gonna do today, and I can't wait how this is gonna look and if this will go right away. So first time wearing gloves, because last time when I used the black as a base it got under my nails and it stayed there for a while. So gloves. Okay, we're starting with the black base, of course. I hope I've got enough. Okay, let's see if this is enough. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make 3 bottles, and the middle one I'm gonna make a little bit different because I'm gonna use violet red for that one, because I would like to have a touch of that. And bronze. Gonna pour the black around this. I feel like I need more black. All right, let's see if I will be needing that black, but then I have it already ready. Yeah, I'm gonna blow the black over the colors. Okay, I'm gonna blow it out on low speed for my blow dryer. I'm gonna torch it first to see. I think we need to have more here. So looking at this now, I feel like there's missing here some color. I really like how this goes. So I'm gonna make here a new puddle and blow it out. Okay, I hope this works out. Yeah, I like that. Oh, these cells. There are so many. Yeah guys, here it is, the big black canvas painting with metallics and some red violet. I really do like it, but probably you see a lot of glare and a lot of definition on camera because it's of course still wet, but it dries completely flat and beautiful like always. But this is gonna take a while to be dry, I think like 72 hours or something. So let's see. I will show it in the next video once it dries. Yeah, I really like that I poured here a new puddle because I love these cells up here. It's cool. I think it's very cool. But I like the black base less than the white base still. But it's nice to do this. I love it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video and my painting, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.